Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I bring you these tips to unravel different types of screw without using the indicated tool. Either because we do not have the specific tool we have, and we want to take out a screw that is hindering us, or we need to take it out to disarm something, or for the reason that you can think of. But with these tips they will learn to get them out with things they already have at home, and without spending anything. Let's see how to do it. To get a screw like the square or hexagonal head, we need these keys, but that if we do not have the measure of the screw head, either because it is very large or very small as shown in the video. To be able to squeeze or unravel it, we will grab another preferably screw of the same measure, and put your nut, and we squeeze it on the screw's head so that this will grab it as if they were tweezers. And if you are not so tight, we can move it with your hand. But if not, we only grab the same keys that we were wearing, and put it by grabbing the other screw, and we only turn until we can take it out or tighten it and ready, without having tools, which is very useful if we do not have some to the hand. To get a flat screw it is much easier, since if we did not have a flat scroller at hand, we can only grab a currency, and thus squeeze or unravel it without problem. If the currency were very thick as happened here, they only grab a thinner, or a rondana and voila. But if the screw were very tight, then we can use a knife of those that are to spread, since they are the most flat, and so we can apply more strength to be able to take out or tighten the screw, and as they see without the need to have a screaming in hand, or in case this is thicker than the screw slot. What to do when the cross screw is swept and is already totally involved. I had already put a similar video that I will leave a link in the description, but not with the screw totally inside. In this case, we can do it in two ways. We can put a fabric on top of those to clean the phones that are not very thick, since the screws would not arrive on the screw. And we try to unravel, since this will make the little that still has a slot. He will not slip and can get it almost without problems. As you can see on the screen, the fabric is totally marked, since that is what is allowing the screaming to be slipped. And if they did not have a cross scrub to hand, they are practically going to do the same, but with a knife to spread, since it will at the same time make a flat screwdriver. And just as they helping, the fabric can unravel it almost without any problem, and again, without having a tool at the time. As they could see, there are several ways in which we can unravel any type of screw, and without having to necessarily have the appropriate tool. Either because we do not have it, or because we are elsewhere, and we have the need to disassemble or screw something, and there is no one who can give us any screaming. And the best thing is that they are with things that we have at home, or that are not difficult to get, and more if we arise, and we do not want to spend on a tool that we may not use again. Although I widely recommend that if you buy the basic tool so that they do not have any problems, and can solve several things in your home, business or office. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, like on the Facebook page, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing, and hopefully this advice has served you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.